oil, and this video has sound. Happy days. Really sorry about yesterday's video. I must have been having a senior moment. Okay, this is what I want to talk to you about oil. Now, people are asking me why oil is going lower. I have theories, but being a Carol, I always do. Let me put this theory to you. There are forces at work that are beyond what we as professional traders or institutional traders really know. We know for a fact that this happens in the markets. And let's just say, with the midterms coming up, the American people, their strongest commodity that they all rave about is the price of gas at the pump in their car. So what we've seen from May is a steady decline back through the $100 mark. And why it hasn't actually taken off a lot on the downside. But look here, we broke the 200-day moving average. Now, as you all know, oil doesn't trade much in Europe, but it does trade in the US. This moving average should be a trend reversal. Well, we can see that oil has, if I bring this down just a tad, you can see the topping pattern here, the trying to get back up, failure, down. We are oversold. That I will agree with, okay? But take a look at these weekly charts. We're not oversold that much on the weekly charts. It's showing no sign of changing at all. So until we see these longer term charts move, I think the emphasis is still going to be on oil lower. I'm looking at this area here, okay? When we look, it's last year, but we're looking at this area here. But I can see maybe that gap there to 67.80 area. We're trading at the moment at 70, 71. So we're back above 70, but not showing any, emphasis of wanting to trade higher. And the market is ripe for trading higher, but I think they want to wait for these weekly levels to confirm their view. When I take a look at the mighty monthly, which I can here, you can see clearly that top. You can also see that the monthly indicators just turned bearish. Keep that in mind. All right. So intraday you can trade it, but bearing in mind, we are below the monthly, the 200 period monthly, and that comes in at 71.57. So when you've got oil below the weekly 200-day moving average, the monthly 200-month moving average, the daily on the 200-day moving average, it has to be taken note of, because everybody wants to sell it, and didn't a week ago or a month ago. So back to our daily chart. I always look at pivot points, but they're based on the previous day's range, and oil isn't really having massive ranges. So keep them in mind, but bear in mind also that your support and resistance levels and Fibonacci's are going to be much more prevalent because of the way the market has been acting. Breaking that 200-day moving average should have pushed this a lot lower. I am short of oil after being long of oil above the 200-day moving average. I stop reversed and I have a trailing stop in, which means I will lock in profit, but not as much as I thought, because the market hasn't gone as low as I thought it would go straight away. Time will tell. Anyway, my name is Carol Harmer. I own Charmer Trading, and Fridays is not a good day to trade, but have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday.